In this video, I'm going to show you how can you create a complete course sales funnel, which is a three-step course sales funnel, literally from scratch, so that you can see as to how you can build top-notch funnels for your own business. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pritam. I run a GoHighLevel funnel and website design agency. We build marketing funnels for our clients. And if you're somebody who is looking to hire top-notch professionals, feel free to reach out at pritamhar.com and check if that's something that's suitable for you. Ladies and gentlemen, let me help you walk through the complete funnel that we created for our client Janine. This is a three-step funnel, which basically means we have the sales page, which is a long form sales page on the front. Then we have the payment page, which basically is with an order form. And then we have the order confirmation page, which is the third page, right? Now, again, this is a customer project, which basically means that this is a custom designed marketing funnel that is specifically designed as per the marketing need of the client, right? So I'm going to give you understanding as to how we approach this project, what exactly we did, why we did that, and how this is better than the usual landing pages and funnel that you see everywhere, right? First things first, this is a chance for anybody of our previously clients or our previous customers to upgrade to a better opportunity of training and to coaching courses that she is selling. And because of that, the first thing ever that we did is upgrade to VIP status, and then we have the VIP logo as well. That kinds of adds the stamp that hey, this is top notch. But before that, I also want to tell you one thing, that the branding was initially a challenge because pink and black was the branding colors, and the way it was displayed before we came in, right, it was completely different, right? It wasn't looking that great, and I honestly was a bit tense as to how to approach this. But guess what? After a few days of continuous working on the branding, after multiple tests or multiple designs, we finalized as to that hey, this design looks fantastic, because she also wants to attract females, and she want to have that pink color, pink touch into the entire funnel, which would make it look premium, top notch, and attract the right target audience. So that's what we did, and the entire funnel now looks fantastic. And I think now pink and black just go so well. I mean, looks fantastic. Okay, first of all, as you can see here, this is upgrade to VIP is what we have started with as the header, because that's what people are going to see on the top. Same goes for the mobile version, which I'm going to show you after explaining the entire desktop mode. First thing that comes with a small heading that hey, this is a question itself, right? Ready to generate listings on demand with direct mail, right? So this directly approaches to the target audience who are real estate agents, right? And are definitely not going to target the other people. That's the reason why a question like this is super convenient in order to get the thought started, so they can spend the time in order to scroll the entire page and go to the complete funnel. I hope you're trying to understand what I'm saying, right? And when the question is set, you put a seed, which is a seed of thought, into your viewer's mind. Then you showcase as to what it is. So this is the real estate agent's guide to high converting mailers on a budget. Now, let me tell you one thing. She is into, which is Janine, is into the real estate business. She's an expert into real estate mailers, and she makes multiple six figures just by her, just being an agent and selling properties, which is crazy. And she's doing it with mailers. She has been a coach and a trainer for a very long period of time. She's also a successful SaaS marketer. And guess what? That's what she is selling here. That's the reason why we're targeting that. Hey, this is the real estate agent's guide to high converting mailers on a budget. Now, let me tell you one thing, on a budget is super important, crucial, because we are targeting agents. We're not targeting big firms or big companies or small agencies. We're targeting agents. So real estate agents probably do not have a lot of money, and they are looking for an opportunity in order to get under someone who has experience so that they can sell more deals. And the way that's what Janine is doing here by selling, by basically showing them how to do that with mailers, right? First things first, a lot of people are going to ask me this question as to how do you generate this kind of gradient effect at the back end. At the same time, how do you generate this gradient effect at the text level? By the way, we do it with HTML, sorry, not HTML, just CSS. I don't really like to add a lot of CSS on GoHighLevel websites or landing pages, but still make it look stunning and attractive. So a bit of CSS is no harm, and that's exactly what you're using. One thing that Janine is giving away for absolutely free as a bonus, which is crazy, is that she's giving away 30-day free access to her Geo Essential print portal. This is basically a place where other people or other agents can, print the mailer templates and then use it for themselves and so that they can get more clients. And Janine is giving away for free for 30 days. This is crazy, right? And that is the big reveal and the big offer that we also want to showcase even on the top section. That was a special request by Janine, because this is important. Because we want more eyeballs, we want more attention apart from the main headline, which is for the course, is that this bonus is super crucial and nobody's doing it. And she has actually put in a lot in the line in order to get this bonus out there in the market for her fellow real estate agents to grab it. And that's how it happens in custom design projects, that the requirement is very, very specific and very unique, and that's the reason why every unique and every project is different. But yeah, after that you will be able to see, and one thing that you realize, that we also have the VIP badging here, which looks stunning, right? And that's how the second part is, which is the sub headline. Now if you see at the back, right, we are using real estate graphics, which is basically designs of real estate, and I think it just looks stunning because we have tried to keep a low tone, which is a low color tone, on the entire landing page, or you can say the entire funnel, and highlight it with pink and black, right? Because that's the branding, and that's has to be the branding, because that's what the requirement is. Then we have this 5 star and a couple of ladies, right? Which also shows the trust badge. It helps build trust, credibility, and authority on the landing page itself, right? And since she's attracting the female audience, that's the target audience for her, and that's exactly why you'll see that every one of these photos are of women, right? So she has this VSL, which, so normally when you come on board to our project, we also give you the script for the VSL so that you can have something to add, and then you can add your own flavor, own touch. It just looks natural, and then you can create a video out of it, and then I'll add that for you, right? You have this notification kind of a badge, which is also I mean, here for this specific purpose is the VIP upgrade offer. Watch now, because hey, got bored about about same looking funnels and same looking design. I want to do something different from others, so this is one way of making this different, right? This is the thing, and then you have this button again. Look at the shine of it, look at the color of it. It's done with multiple CSS and it just looks fantastic. So again, the call to action is very straight. Yes, I want to upgrade now. Enroll me into the VIP mailer magic course. Now let me tell you one thing. VIP mailer magic course is like the umbrella course or the main course, right? It's the leader course, and then you have a lot of tons of bonuses that also come with the mailer magic course, right? And she has tons of courses. This is basically a suit or a bunch, a bouquet of courses and bonuses that she is providing. And the main name, or the umbrella name of this, is the VIP mailer magic course. Of course, you can pay it with Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and all that. So that's written there. So that's how the top section is. And then we have 100% guarantee offer as well, which kind of looks and shines so very well. Apart from that, we really want to show that hey, we have worked with agents from these kind of companies, businesses, and communities. That's the reason why we have added all these logos, which is very, very popular, and most of these agents are working for one or the other, right? And then we have challenges, because once we have given them the understanding as to what it is, which what we do in the hero section, right? What it is, whom is this for, watch the video, call to action, and everything for them to make a decision. Then we basically start the natural flow of creating landing pages, high converting landing pages. So the next section comes is the challenges or the problem that real estate agents are facing in their own business, right? So facing these marketing challenges in your real estate marketing, right? And as you can see here, look at the gradient effect. It just looks so stunning, so satisfying, right? So the first is high online marketing costs eating into your profits, because she is using the route of mailers. So these are physical postcard and mailers that you are sending to households there so that they can inquire about it, then you can sell them and you can get a commission, a cut out of it, which is a lot. Janine told me it can be from $5,000 to $50,000 depending on the size of the deal, right? So yeah, of course, when you run ads, so as a solo business owner or a solo real estate agent, you probably do not have hundreds of thousands of dollars or tens of thousands of dollars to just spend on ads. And that's the reason why you should be using mailers, because as a real estate agent herself, she's using it and makes multiple six figures out of it, right? And that's exactly what we have explained here. Anybody who is into this space and who is doing it on a sole level or on her own or on his own, he or she will be able to understand the problem that is mentioned here. The second thing is struggling to create mailers and deliver results, because many of you might be using it, many of you would have heard them in marketing conferences that hey, you can use mailers and all that stuff, but are you getting results? Can you design them appropriately in order to get the necessary eyeballs attention and call to action? Is that happening? Are you getting results? Are you getting calls? Are you able to close deals? Are you able to make money at the end of the day? That is the goal. If you're able to do it, that's fine. It's not the course for you. Probably you should check out other problems. But if not, then hey, this is the course for you, right? The third is finding it hard to generate quality leads with mailers, because hey, you probably are sending, mailers. You probably are sending. You think that you're sending good quality mailers, but then are you able to get leads? Are you able to get inquiries? Are you able to get appointments? Are you able to show them the property? Is that happening? Yes or no? If no, this is a sign that you should take Janine's course. Fourth, overwhelmed by geographical farming without a strategy. Are you not sure as to which areas to target and which areas not to? Are you sure which periphery to select, which kind of hot zones they are? And if you're not sure, Janine is going to help you so that you can redirect your mailers to the right place, right geographical areas to generate quality leads for your own real estate business as a real estate solo agent. Because Janine is doing that. She has experience, proven experience. She's sharing that as well. So you better buy it, learn it, and then do it for your own business. Then comes the next section, which is as to, you understood the problem, you understood the issue. Now, how can VIP mailers, Magic Course can actually help you, and Janine can actually help you? Now, this section is pretty interesting. Look at that. The background, you have again real estate designs and all of that. But here on the top right, you have this VIP badge. Kind of makes it look 3D as well as you also have something at the background, but not too overpowering that you won't be able to focus on what's upfront, which is the solution. Here's how the VIP Mailer Magic Course solves them all. By them, it's mean all the problems that you just saw on top of it, right? So here you can discover the solution that this course is going to provide for real estate marketing, right? And as you can see here, this beautiful photo of Janine that we actually designed. So this graphic that looks stunning is actually designed it, right? Because she got a good photo shoot done. We took the photo shoots and then we designed a structure that not only shows her as a real estate agent, shows her credibility in that space, but also shows as to what exactly you're going to get when you buy this particular course. So here, because we want to showcase her as the authority, because people want to learn from the person itself, and in this case is Janine. So first is you get mailers, you get bonuses, you get coaching, you get tools, and that's exactly what our hero section kind of image looks like. So here, as you can see, you get proven mailer marketing strategies, right? And this is on a drop down section, which kind of looks really, really effective and interactive at the same time. So I really like this strategy. So special VIP high value bonus. Then you have cost effective mailer marketing freedom, right? And you have personalized coaching by expert, which is Janine itself, because Janine conducts weekly, monthly, important coaching calls where she actually helps clear any kind of doubts or marketing strategies that her clients or her students might have. Then practical tools and workbook for easy learning, and then inspiration from a proven real estate leader, which is Janine's success story itself. Right? That's exactly what you get, and then this section just looks top end from the looks of it. Then you have at the bottom, which is, hey, you give them an option for you to constantly upgrade, which is, hey, I want to upgrade. So yes, I want to upgrade now. And it has this effect. And then you have some trust badges, some stars, some people, and then you can proceed forward. This just helps you to get going, right? That's how the marketing design is in order to click on it so that you can proceed further. And next, we're going to show you that, okay, you understood that this is the solution. Now we're going to show you exactly that what the solution contains what you're going to pay and what exactly you are going to get, right? So exclusive VIP access, here's everything you get when you upgrade to the VIP status today, right? I told today because I need to create the urgency which I want Janine's visitors to understand and appreciate, so that they can understand that, hey, Janine is literally giving away so much for absolutely minimal cost. So it's a no brainer to get it. By the way, it's only available today. That's how the copy should speak to every visitor on the landing page or on the website itself. Make sense? Let's proceed forward. Now, this is about the VIP mailer magic course, and look at the beautifully crafted, handcrafted mock up, which is designed specifically for this purpose. VIP mailer magic is what you can see here. You can see that she's providing coaching templates. You can see the books also that people are going to get. You also see here that, hey, she's providing GeoEssential 30-day access, which is crazy, and all of these are VIP, so you have those VIP badges too. Here we're basically showcasing you that what exactly you get in the VIP Mailer Magic course modules. So all of the modules, instead of listing them one after the other, we are kind of creating slideshows for people to see and understand as to what exactly it covers in terms of modules. So it will keep sliding, and you can always use these sliders also to move back and forth and see what exactly it is. So VIP Mailer Magic course, here's some content about it. It teaches you to how to create high-pacting mailers that generate leads and listings. So here's what people are going to get from the bootcamp itself. Basically this is they're going to handhold people, help them build marketing on a step-by-step nature. If they have any kind of question, they can reach out, they can post the progress, all of that. It's a multi-day bootcamp that people are going to get, right? Now we're basically showcasing that, hey, this is an exclusive deal. In case you're interested to get it, all of it at once, you can get it only for $47. Now let me tell you one thing. Till now, we haven't really disclosed what exactly is the pricing. We want them to go through the entire thing and then finally discover it in this section, which is, hey, you get it for $47 only. One more thing that you will be able to see, that, hey, we have this kind of badge to show that, hey, this is a special offer, so make sure that you get it. And it also says exclusive deal with some negative margin. So it kind of looks 3D as well. By the way, the full program originally is valued at $497. You get it for less than 10%. Isn't that crazy? It is. So you probably should proceed forward and buy it. And that's exactly how it looks. And of course, at the bottom, at the back, actually, the background, you have this kind of parallax effect, which kind of looks stunning to me. They'll come at the special bonuses. So this is what I was talking about. Janine is providing a suite of bonuses that she's giving away under the umbrella of Made of Magic, and she's giving away a lot of things actually, guys. Right? So exclusive VIP. I mean, it took me a lot of time to create all these mockups, probably almost a day, because I want to make it perfect. And you know what happens in perfection when you're trying to make so many things perfect. It just takes so much time, but it came out really well. I'm really happy about it, right? So exclusive VIP bonuses when you upgrade. So you receive this entire bonus bundle when you enroll in the course again today, right? Urgency is still there. Now, all of this mock-ups are handcrafted manually for her. What it was earlier was not used because we wanted something to match the level of proficiency that we have already done on the entire landing page, right? So as you can see here, these are her real templates, right? You can see them, but you can't really copy it, and that's the reason. In case you want to get it, you just only get it for $47. So why not take it? My top three mailers, you get it. This is the VIP bonus one, and you also have this beautiful badge attached to it. Then comes the real estate success book, and people are going to get the online version or the PDF version of this so that they can use it for themselves. And this is absolutely free with the $47 course or the umbrella course. Then you have EDDM mailer course, which is also what people are getting for absolutely free. Then she's giving away top 5 EDDM templates for absolutely free. And then she's also giving away 25 mailer examples that you can check and use for absolutely free. Then she's also conducted a $1 million farming mailer webinar that also she's giving away, again, absolutely free. He's also giving away geographic farming cheat sheet that you can do it and mark your own territories in order to send your mailers. He's also giving away mailer design coaching because, hey, If you cannot design good mailer templates, then you're probably not going to attract people, because they also need to look good when they gets into the hand of your visitors or of your viewers. She's also giving away a bootcamp workbook. Just look at how it's designed in a nice way. Then the last, it is the final offer, which is the biggest offer that she wanted to highlight. And we actually highlighted the same thing, which is, hey, 10-day exclusive bonus, which is 10 exclusive bonuses, including 30 days of free access to our Geo Essential program. And that's exactly what's mentioned here. 30-day access to the Geo Essential print portal, and you get it for absolutely free. And we've mentioned literally everything as to what you get if you sign up today. Don't miss out. Full program was at $497. We're getting at 47, less than 10%. Then we are basically showcasing who's the coach, who's the trainer, who's the mentor in this entire journey, and meet your real estate coach and bootcamp instructor, Janine Sasso, right? So, beautiful image of her. And then we have, you can see here, we have added the VIP as well. Again, branding is something that I want to attach on every single thing. I don't want this photo to just look a beautiful photo. I want it to look a beautiful as well as branded photo. And that's the reason why you have this VIP in there. So Janine Sasso, we have explained a bit about Janine's past, what she is doing, how she became successful as a real estate agent, and probably that's what is going to motivate you as an agent to join up her particular course, which is a no-brainer deal. If you scroll down, you will be able to see the testimonials. Again, all these testimonials was provided in a raw format. So we created the graphic, we created the thumbnails, the covers, we edited the videos. All of that was done according to the brand graphics or branding, and then added to this particular section. Testimonials discover what our customers say, and if you click here, right, and this is 100% built on HighLevel itself, right? So it just looks very beautiful, very branded, and just matches the entire vibes. And then you have the FAQ section, because a lot of people might have some questions that people want to ask, and this is already in there. And this is a beautiful FAQ section that we have designed so that people can just ask question if they want to. Then we have the final section, which is the ending section, where, hey, we have mentioned take back control of your real estate marketing with high converting mailers, because this is what she is expert at, and she's going to show you if you upgrade to VIP status today itself, right? And you can see a beautiful photo along with the mock-up that we designed. It just looks really, really stunning. So these kind of photos are very important. You can't just have just the photo of the person, of the coach, the creator, the coach, the speaker. You also need to show what actually you're selling, because that's the main objective. That just glorifies, intensifies the decision making capability of the visitor itself. Not just that, the entire SaaS landing page, the entire course landing page here is 110% mobile optimized. Let me quickly show that to you as well. Now, as you can see here, looks pretty interesting, right? And this is what you see above the fold, which is when you have a smartphone, right? This is what you see above the fold. As you can see here, the dimension is for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And when you scroll down, you see everything in place, and everything just looks so very well professionally done by an expert itself, right? That's probably the reason why you should have your funnels designed and copywritten by me. It just looks so good, right? Really, the interactive features, everything is just working so well. It just looks so nice. Just look at this section, right? So beautiful. And you can even use the sliders, go back, go front. You can do literally everything, and talks about everything. Look at this special offer deal. Like, look at the VIP bonuses, how neatly, how clean they are, how amazing they look. Actually, it's stunning, isn't it? If you scroll down, if you continue to scroll down, it just looks so very well managed inside the GoHighLevel mobile mode, right? That's exactly what you get in terms of the course sales funnel that are designed for this client. And then when you click on it, you basically go to the next page itself, which is the payment page, right? We don't have the payment form here itself, so this is the payment page. And as you can see here, again mentioned here, which is a call to action itself, join the bootcamp. And we're basically reiterating everything that was there on the main page, so people can get to see and understand as to what exactly we are providing. And then again, the mock-up image of the entire mailer course, which looks stunning here. And they're giving away all uh you know in crux actually what exactly they are going to get. All of this is added here itself. So it's pretty interesting for everybody to go through it because it just boosts up the decision making capability and supports them to proceed forward with the payment process itself, right? And again, as I told you, this is also 110% mobile optimized for my client, right? Looks perfectly fine, and these interactive elements showcases the value of the course and everything is also 110% working. Okay, let me get that off and let me show it to you, which is the thank you page, right? Which is also your order confirmation page. I see a lot of funnel builders really forget adding this order confirmation page as to why, right? If you have an order page here, right, you should have an order confirmation page in order to show what exactly is the pricing, the total, and the details, right? This is like a receipt, right? So this is like confirmation to them, right? And if not, the people will get tensed about it. So it's always a good practice to have an order confirmation page or a thank you page on the end, and then having this widget added, because when you buy that particular product, it's going to show you the product name and the product part price that you just bought. It's again a good practice to have that what's happens next, and you can add all the details here. That's pretty much it, and this is also 110% mobile optimized. Look at it, looks pretty interesting and nice. So ladies and gentlemen, that's exactly how you design stunning, high converting, three-step course funnels for your business. In case you have any kind of queries or questions for any kind of project that you might be thinking about hiring, feel free to go to pithamba.com, and you'll have basically all the links in the description box. Go check that out. And if you haven't started yet, I want to start with HighLevel, then go to bonus.pritam.com and learn about our affiliate bonuses and the reason as to why you should join under me itself. Right? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're doing well. I'll see you in the next video.